Alright, thanks for tuning in, drivers. Once again, we are going to tackle this harness and put it back in there. Round 552,668. Maybe one day we'll get there. Keep watching.
It's alive. It's alive. It's moving. It's alive. Oh, it's alive. It's alive. It's alive. It's alive. Oh,
Hear this, guys? Turn that key for me just a little bit, babe, and I'm going to run the gas right here. Yeah, it's like it's leaking here. Do it again. Yeah, we better do that during the day. She's alive! Alright, as you can see there in that video, we finally got her to light off. She's alive! Yes! But I definitely got to still do some tuning and find out why she's cutting out. But at least she starts. Swapping that harness over must have helped, because I really didn't do anything else. I haven't even hooked up the O2 sensor yet. So that was just kind of I just kind of ran the wires where I needed to, because I had to extend some of them and seeing if it would fire up. So if we can't get this carb to work, which I don't like that fuel bowl right there is leaking, that could be a fire down the road. We may just go ahead and put the V6 one back on it, because I heard it's pretty much exactly the same. And then we can probably, get some new O-rings and stuff for that one. And maybe put it back on later, I don't know. So anyway, good news. We got her to light off finally. So we'll fine tune it some more tomorrow and make some more footage. Definitely rolling into the weekend. And we'll probably get her all wrapped up and put back together. It will be a sweet time. So as always, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being a subscriber. Thumbs up. We'll see you tomorrow. And until next time, what do we say, drivers? Keep it simple. Keep it sweet.